Hello everybody, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to use a client portal. It's secure and very easy to use. You'll see. Let's open our email. Here's your private password, in this case 4913. We log in. We're going to use that number, which would be individual for each client. Update. We're gonna create a new password, something you would remember. And you're in. Welcome to your portal. Here's the consent for telehealth. Let's read it and then continue. Informed consent for psychotherapy. Read it carefully and continue. Our policies. The HIPAA notice I updated, coming from the Health and Human Services Department. Here you would add your information, and please be thorough in filling out, especially the address and zip code, as insurance companies need it to be accurate. The intake form. If you're an existing client, go ahead and fill it out so it can give me the new or latest symptoms. Here's the form in case of an emergency. We need that for using telehealth, as we need a bit more information. Here's a credit card number. I'm gonna fill it out to continue. Here we go. These are all the forms that we need to fill out. You notice the area where it says upload files. You can send me information from your doctor or homework, which we may be working on. On the top right, you see an icon for messages. Let's press on that. You can send me a very secure message and I'll reply to your message. On the top right, we see a menu bar. Here's the appointments. If you had appointments lined up, you would be able to see them. Billing and payments, all the financial information. And we're gonna practice logging out. And this is what it looks like when you first start. We're gonna make sure our password works, and we're back in. Thank you so much, and let's keep in touch.